Hi beautiful, thank you for joining me in today. In today's video, we are making some granola. Welcome to my kitchen. In here, I have some Cheerios, some toasted almond, dry cranberry, brown sugar, oats, vanilla, cinnamon powder, and some honey. I'll add the Cheerios to the oats. To that, I'll add the brown sugar, some salt, cinnamon powder, and I'll give everything a good stir. If you are using raw almond or raw pecans, this is the good time to add them now. My almonds are already toasted, so I will not be adding them to this at this point. I'll set it aside in a small pan. I'll add some vegetable oil. To that, I'll add some honey. And I'll be warming up this on medium-low heat. I'll give it a stir and I'll also add some vanilla extract. Once I add the vanilla, I'm going to turn off the heat and take it off the heat. Now carefully pour your liquid over the oat mixture. Give everything a good stir with a wooden spoon until the mixture is evenly coated. Once it is evenly coated, we are going to be transferring it onto a large baking sheet. Spread it evenly so they cook evenly and beautifully. We'll be baking this at 300 degrees for 40 minutes. And after every 10 minutes of cooking, I'll bring it out, give it a stir, and put it back to continue to bake. So this is the first 10 minutes of baking it, so I brought it out. So I'm going to give it a good stir and I'll put it back in the oven to continue to cook. I brought it out the second time, so this will be 20 minutes in the oven of cooking. I'll give it a stir and I'll put it back and continue to cook. So you are bringing it out every 10 minutes until the 40 minutes is done. At this point, our granola is fully cooked. It is done. It's been 40 minutes, so I'm going to add the dry cranberries and the toasted almond. And I'm going to stir everything together nicely and our granola is ready. Oatmeal is not just for making hot cereal. You can use it to make great granola recipe like this, which will be perfect for breakfast and also for toppings on yogurt or for making fruit buffet if you want. I sometimes enjoy it over milk. I'll pour some milk on it and just eat it like cereal. It's perfect that way as well. Thank you so much for coming on this delicious adventure with me in the kitchen. And if you like this video and find it helpful, kindly leave me a like and also leave me a comment. Please also subscribe and press the notification button so you are notified anytime I upload a new video. And I will see you in the next one. Stay blessed.